Salvete omnes. Let's continue with the Aeneid, Book 4. Ut primum malatis tetigit magalia plantis, Aeneon fundante marces actecta noventem conspicit, atquili stellatus jaspite fulva, ensis erat Troioque ardebat, murice laena de misex umeris dives quae munera dido fecerat, et tenui telas discreverat auro. As, first, he touched the huts with his winged feet, he caught sight of Aeneas founding the citadels and renewing the structures. And to that man there was a sword star-studded with yellow jasper, and a cloak, laena, having been sent down from his shoulders, was burning with Tyrian purple. Which gifts quae munera, rich Dido, had made, and she had discerned, or she had separated, the web or the woven fabric with thin gold. So we need a little bit of context before translating this passage, right? Because we've got this ut primum, then we've got a verb and another verb, but we don't know who the subject is. So the subject of these lines here is the god Mercury, or Hermes is his Greek equivalent, the messenger god with the winged feet. That gives you a pretty good idea of who the subject is here. And in the previous lines, remember, there's a gap between what we last translated and what we're translating now. So we left off with Iarbas praying to Jupiter, saying that it's unfair that Aeneas is getting to rule in Carthage, and he's upset, and he needs something to be done about it. Jupiter hears the prayer of Iarbas, and he is sending Mercury down as a messenger to Aeneas to remind Aeneas of his destiny in Rome and tell him to get out of Carthage and stop wasting his time with Dido in a kingdom that is not his own. So, here we begin with the arrival of Mercury in order to deliver his message to Aeneas. So ut primum, as at first he touches the huts, magalia is your neuter plural object here, with his winged feet, probably ablative of means, by means of his winged feet, that's how he touched the huts. Now he catches sight of, conspicit. And here we have our direct object, he conspicit Aeneas founding the citadels, or establishing the citadels, and renewing the roofs. So both of these present active participles modify Aeneas, Aeneon. Atque, to that one, dative of possession, and to that man there was a star-studded sword with yellow jasper. And ardebat, he was, or oh, not he, laena is our subject. A cloak sent down from his shoulders was burning with Tyrian purple. Which gifts, rich Dido. Anyway, so we have the translation of this. And right here, it's basically just describing the luxury that Aeneas has in Carthage. And these things were gifts from Dido.